Hey, hi. Good morning.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Hi. Hi, Taru. Hi, Nikita. Hi, Smita. Hi, yaar. Sorry, it's a long gap. I'm completely stuck in different activities. And along with that, my client calls also changed. So it's just those things, took time.
Yes.
Okay, so now what's the time? Your regular time only, right? This is a
Yeah,
this is our
30.
previous regular time, right?
Yes. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay, right. You're able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All of you have a sample Superstore data, right?
Mm-hmm. Nikita, do you have this data?
I don't have this.
Yeah.
Did someone
You don't
send it
have.
on?
Yeah, it should be on like WhatsApp chatting.
Okay, then
Nikita.
I'll get it from there. Yeah.
Mhm.
I think I
So just
had.
let me. Uh,
I need to send. I hope already it
And
is there in the group.
yeah, recently Nirupa sent to me, so it is there in the group, the last one.
Otherwise, before that, I shared. Before that also, one more share is there. Okay. You're able to see my Tableau screen.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nirupa.
Yes, sir. We can.
You're able to see my Tableau screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Each and everyone have this particular data set, right? I hope so.
The one which we downloaded on Friday, sir.
Yes, sample Superstore.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now, whenever I'm going to say like, what is the process? We'll get some business requirement. We'll understand from this particular people who given that particular problem for us, and we'll ask for the data. They'll guide us where the data is available, and we'll bring that particular data from a normal RDBMS machine on a normal RDBMS machine or any cloud architecture. We'll bring the data into our environment. So once the data is into our environment, we have a two types of connections. One is live and another one is extract. This is the sample version and free trial version, right? Tableau public, right? This is so that is the reason we are not able to see the live and extract. Here, generally, you are able to see this live and extract versions. Okay. Uh, and along with that, what is the difference between live and extract? If you connected and if you are using live means it is completely connecting to the database directly, and each and every time, what will happen? The data is completely linked to the database. Extract means you are once calling entire data into your environment and you are keeping in your environment locally and you're performing operations on it. If you want the recent data, just you need to do the refresh to get that thing. You have multiple ways to connect the data. That is from the databases, Excel files, CSV files, text files, and different databases and different NoSQLs and different cloud things. In the in the paid version, each and everything is there. Just you need to know the connectors and you need to raise the request, or otherwise the infrastructure will take care about it. Just you need to connect those things and to fetch the required data. So once you loaded the data, so you are able to see. You can
Sir,
able to
one doubt.
perform. Yes.
So you said there are two types of data thing, like to connect to, one is the live and one is extract. So both we need to pay for that, sir, like to.
No. Already we are using in an extracted form.
Extract mode, yes, I know, but for the live, we need to pay, right?
Right.
Okay.
Okay. And once you connected that connection, here you're able to see a lot of tables and all those things. You can perform different type of joins at here. In SQL, how we'll write joins, that is a different story, right? But here you can join and you can add filters. You can perform a lot of things related to it. Okay. That facility is available at here. Along with that, if you want to filter anything at here, you can able to observe it here. If you want to rename, you can rename this particular thing. All the facilities are available at here to rename, to see, to get the first visualization, how many default records it need to be loaded. All type of these particular things you can able to utilize this.
So,
Yes,
sir,
tell
I
me.
have. So can we add like two files together, or we join two files together?
Yes,
Yes.
right. Not only 2 files, 10 files also you can merge.
So like suppose we have the sample superstore file and another one is Olympics. So can we join these or like
What is the common thing in both of those? If we
I'm
want
just
to join,
Uh-huh.
we need to have some specific relation, right?
Yes, sir.
For example, if you consider one superstore and another in superstore, customer information will be there, product information will be there. Okay, what is the relation between customer information and product information? In the sales table, you are able to identify which product is brought by which person. Then we can able to relate these things like that. If we want to join, we need to have some specific relation. Otherwise, we are not able to join, right? If those are related, then only we can able to try to find out the relation in between the data. If those are not related, we're not able to do anything. And by joining those unrelated data also, there is no use.
So
Right.
like we can do on like Tableau public as well.
Yes. Here also, right? Just see. Previously we saw, right, 2 tables came. I mean, like in the Olympics or in other data, 2 files we have. We can able to perform our that particular join also. Here, here you can able to add filters. What type of filters you need to add, and you can ready the data for the pre-use. Once you connected the data, if you click on the sheet, then it means the data is ready and data is in active connection. You're able to see it here. Okay. Here, if you want to see the data, 3 columns you're able to see, right? If you click it here, you're able to see this. Okay.
So I have one question regarding
Yes,
that
tell me.
joining. So in data source, suppose we join 2 tables with one database, like
Okay.
if sample store has 2 tables. So I join these 2 tables. So after that joining, I have to come on sheet 1
Yes.
to make the visualization. So in that visualization, that 2 joining tables and measures will come, or all the measures will come?
No. All the measures will come.
Okay.
Why?
So
Because 2 tables are joined on basis of some specific measure, right? On
yes.
specific condition.
Hmm.
Right? It's not like that each and every column should be same in these 2 tables, right?
Yes.
We need that table, that features also, that dimensions and measures also, this dimensions and measures also.
Okay. Got it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it clear now?
Hmm.
For example, in your analysis process, you identified like that the features which are available at in front, the dimensions or the measures are not sufficient for your study. Then we have a great facility. We can able to create our custom fields very easily with help of some formulas.
Calculated fields, sir?
Yes, right. Calculated fields, you can write if conditions, else conditions, and conditions, or conditions. If else you can use, and you can fill values based on that. You can filter values based on those things like that. Okay. Now we'll take some simple thing, and I'll try to explain that all these functions. Okay. First, we have a category. In category, how many are there? Furniture,
Four.
office
Yeah,
supplies,
three.
technology.
Three.
Okay.
Mm.
And these three. Okay. Furniture. And I'm bringing the sales information. Okay. You're getting my point?
Yes, sir. Can you just pull out one thing, that grand total from the category section? Can you do
This is
it?
already from the sales.
Yeah.
This is already from the sales data.
Okay, yeah. So you're looking to pull it out, right, sir?
Oh, no. I'm not looking into the pulling out. So the data which I shared is already had this particular thing.
Okay, okay, really? Oh, okay. Let me check.
Can you please look into your
Yeah, because I did couple of things. Okay.
Yeah, there's sales.
okay, just you see. You're able to see?
Just checking, sir. But I get only 3. I don't get grand
So
total.
you can go analytics and there's a total. You can click on that. And then you can get
Yes,
the
I got it. Yeah.
grand total.
Okay.
Okay. That type of simple things. Some aggregations, multiplications, and round offs. All these facilities are defaultly available in Tableau. We need to use that set. That is the one thing we need to remember. Okay. See this one. These are the subcategories. Okay. If I'm coming to that, sales. These subcategories and sales information. If I want to see the label, I need to use this. Okay. Now I'm filtering the thing. Okay. See how the sales information will be. I'm creating one more thing. I'm creating one more sheet. How the sales will be. What is the sales information related to? What is where is
Product.
Subcategories there.
there is
You
sales
find
on basis of product names.
mm.
Okay.
Sir, you can check in the manufacturer because there are products in that also.
No. What I'm checking exactly. Okay. So now these
So
are the product name. This is
we
the
can check category and then sales, like which category we have more sales, like maximum
yes,
sales.
we'll check. But here I am trying to explain you about some function and round of functions, integer functions, if conditions, else conditions, if else conditions, and conditions, or conditions. That is here what I am trying to explain you. Hello?
Yes, sir, we can hear you. Sir, are you saying anything?
No.
Okay.
Just I am looking which feature is
Calculated field, sir.
yes. No, not calculated field. I'm looking for one specific measure. Where can I able to explain you about rounding off and integer mode?
Rounding of an integer mode means. So you want like with the decimal points and everything, sir?
Yes, yes, right. Where that in that way, which field
Understood.
Around
that is?
analysis.
I think everything is round off, sir, because as far as I saw, I didn't see any decimals anywhere actually.
Some other-
Where is the? Can you please check where is there any decimal data?
Yeah.
Decimals. Okay.
Sir, on the profit per order, there are decimals.
Which one?
Profit per
Profit
order.
per order and
Profit per order.
sales per customer, they have the decimals.
Okay, profit per order and order ID.
And sales per customer and profit ratio.
Profit ratio.
Okay,
they
right.
have-
Profit per customer. Where is the decimal?
It's like on the table, it shows like 13.20 and 73 points.
Okay, okay, right. Okay, then if it is showing in the table,
And also in sales per customer, there is also decimals.
discrete and order ID, customer name. Hmm. This contains the negative information.
Yeah, but on table, it shows like decimals.
Profit
You
per
are
customer.
You're checking in Excel, Smita?
No, like when you go on the data source, you can see.
It's showing in the data source screen too.
Yeah.
This
Decimals.
Hmm. Okay, 1 second. Where it is? 1 second. I think that is a sale per customer.
Yes, sales
Maybe.
per customer, there are
And
decimal.
profit per customer, profit ratio. These are-
Sales per customer and order ID or cust ID is there? No. Okay, order ID. Add all members and bring this one and this as to the label and
Yeah,
this.
no, it shows like. Keywords, okay.
Profit per customer order.
Okay. Right.
Order ID.
Okay, right. Order ID and sales. Okay. I told you, right, how to use this particular sales per customer and order ID.
But here it's
Okay.
not showing like this.
Okay, now these values are completely discrete. Okay. See this one now. You're able to see this, right? I am creating a calculated field. You can create a calculated field based on some specific conditions. Here, if you can click right click, then you can go to the create and you can create a calculated field. Sales per customer. You know how you will write round. Okay, inside to the round, it need to be there and rounded to 0, rounded to 1 decimal point. Sales per 1. Okay, apply this one. Now, if you observe, I'll tell you. I'm looking into the data. Now see how the data will be look like. Sales per one is there, right?
Mm,
Yes, but
See this one. This is the sales per customer and this is the sales per one. What is the difference between these two?
it rounded off to its nearest value.
Rounded off to?
I mean, if it is 92, it's rounded off to 388.90.
Okay.
And if it is 35.19, it rounded off to 35.20, like whichever is the nearest.
Okay.
And also a new column created saying sales per one.
Okay.
it's rounded like one number after the decimals.
You understand what is how the functionality of round off is working?
Yes.
Okay. Now just you see, I'm just removing this thing and I'm editing. Okay, I'm creating one more field. And another way to create a field is here you're able to see the drop down.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just you can click it here, create a calculated field. Directly you'll get it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right now you see, you can able to give the name at this position, this particular place. For example, I'm creating int function. Okay. And I'm writing int. You'll defaultly you'll get it. Int and the expression which you need to write. What I want? I want this one, right? I can directly drag and pull it here. The arrow button you are able to see the top.
Mhm.
You can just directly drop it there. Okay. Then see what will happen now. You can able to easily understand. See this one. Int value, right? There is int. And function. Okay, see this one. What is the difference between these values? Int function and sales per. It rounded off to integer.
Yes.
See this one. Where is int?
Yeah, this one.
Int function and sales per.
79.
You can move.
Okay.
Okay, sales per 128.34.
Sales per one is how? Sales per customer is how much?
120.
128 point. Okay. 79.20. What is int?
79.
Clearly. So this is the int function value. And this is the sales per customer, where it is. Right. See, this is the int one. This is the int one. Okay, and this is sales per customer. 79.20, 79, 388.92, 388, 50.94, 50. What it is doing?
Integer only. Integer value.
Turning into integer.
Sorry?
It's taking off the decimal points and just showing the before the decimal points. So where is this?
See, it's completely remove the decimal points. That's simple.
Yeah.
Integer function. Okay.
Only
In Python, we
integer
use
value.
it, right? Round off is a different and integer function is different.
Yes.
Okay. That is that is an integer function, and round off. Difference round off means generally in our childhood we'll do calculations, right? 4.95. What is the value of 4.95? How we'll do? In 4.95, 5 is 5 greater than or equal to 5, then it will change into, it will increase one more value. When if this is odd,
Right.
if it is even, it will be like the same odd. Right? You remembered that
Yes,
particular
sir.
rule? That is the thing. That is round up. This is integer. Okay.
Yes.
Now, for example, okay, right. So I have a subcategory. How many subcategories I have? How many subcategories? Left side down, you are able to observe. Left side down. 17 rows, one column. Okay. Now see, I'm bringing sales into the picture. Here, actually, it is the only sales. But if we bring it here, Tableau is thinking like that. Okay, this is the sales information. We need to provide some, and we need to do for that. And it is defaultly calculating. Now my question is here is, I want to find out only sales information related to chairs. How you will do? That's my simple question. I want only chairs information. Chairs sales information.
Can you repeat the question, sir? In the subcategories, you want
In the
only.
subcategory chairs. Chairs sales only I want.
Okay.
And if we filter
Yes.
out, can we add filter?
Without using filter.
Oh, without.
Okay.
How we will do? What is the another way?
So did you said like how much chair sales?
Yes, what is the chair sales amount?
So we can do like on show me, and we can select the table, and then we can see.
So you do whatever you want to do, you can do.
So chair sale is like 22.
How you will do? Not only chairs. I mean, it's like if you are able to fetch the chairs, then you can able to fetch any category, any subcategory, right? That's not a deal. I want only chairs sales information. How you will do?
So I click on chairs, it only like shows me the chairs sales, like, and it's gone on filter now.
Without using filters, remaining all the things I want 0. Remaining all the sales I want 0 only.
Okay.
Only chair sales information, it need to be visible for me. How? Each and everyone, you are trying, right?
Yes, sir.
Anyone completed?
So I tried that highlighted function. So I highlighted the chair one and it is showing me only the chair's cells.
Or I
Too
did
smart.
like on keep
Too
on.
smart. You're too smart, Rakshu.
Sir, if you
So I have to take it positive or what?
How innocent you are. Okay, not like this. This is not
Okay.
the way.
sir,
You're
one thing
asking
I
once
did,
again me, I'm praising or I'm commenting you. Okay, right. I would say this is not the way. What I ask, I don't care about remaining all the same.
Mhm.
Whenever you found other than chase, you can replace that sales information with 0. I don't care. I want only sales information.
Okay. Mhm.
How we'll do that?
like only
Okay, see. Last 2 minutes. You try. Done. Okay, see this one. Now I'm creating one more sheet and I'm creating a calculated field. Okay. What I'm creating is, you're able to hear me? Chair says. Okay, now see. What is my
Sir, I got
requirement?
it, sir.
You written,
I got it.
you written the formula.
No, I didn't do anything. I just I played around and I
Okay.
just did
Okay.
set.
I'll
I
explain.
created a set.
I'll explain this and after that you'll show that result.
Okay.
Okay. What is our condition? If our subcategory is chase, then only I want the sales information. If my subcategory is chase, then only I bring the sales information. Otherwise, 0. I don't care about it.
Hmm.
If, okay, if, okay, what is the value?
Subcategory.
Subcategory. If my subcategory, I'm going to select Remember, this is a case sensitive.
Hmm.
Yes.
Chairs. If my subcategory is chairs, then what you need to bring?
Sales.
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 Hmm.
Okay.
Mhm.
If my subcategory is chairs, then sales. Else, zero.
Mhm.
And
Oh.
Nice.
simple, very simple.
Hmm.
Compared to SQL also, it is very simple. Okay.
So every time if we want to see like a specific data or a specific field, then we have to use these functions like if else, and we can see that.
Hello.
Sir, yeah,
Yes, sir.
Remember, end is mandatory.
Okay.
End is mandatory in Tableau when you are writing some conditions. And one more condition is if you are using if means it should be definitely contain else also.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
Okay. Then only you don't get confusion and your data is to operate on the logic which you are writing. Okay. I just applied. Okay. Now you see chair sales is there, right? I
Yes.
bring the subcategory. Okay. Chair sales.
Oh,
Oh,
nice.
text.
Okay.
Yeah.
Clear?
Mhm. Yes,
Right.
sir.
Now I'm just adding, I'm just editing this particular thing. To edit this particular thing, if you can select drop down or right click, edit.
Mhm.
Now here I'm selecting if subcategory is chair and I'll show you different way. Chairs and what is related to tables.
Then
Tables.
say-
Okay, then sales and else zero. Okay. Can anyone tell what is the result? Why that particular result came into this? Zeros.
what, sir? What happened,
Why
sir?
why this result came into zero now?
Because, can you show what did you edit, sir?
we put
You didn't
one more
see?
thing, like table.
No, I didn't see, sir.
How will edit?
Right click edit,
Edit. See this one.
subcategory and subcategory equal to. You said end. Maybe because of that.
Yes. We don't have subcategory. We don't have chairs and tables combinedly.
Hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
You got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, here I'll take another thing. Okay. Right. And sales, chairs, tables for the specific country. What are the countries? Austria. Then, okay. Germany. We'll take Germany. We want only sales information related to Germany. Okay. Remember. What we need to do, we can able to create a new field. Otherwise, we can create we can edit the existing formula based on our requirement. That is completely. Subcategories chairs or tables. Okay.
And
and
Country.
country is equal to
Germany.
okay.
Mhm.
Now, what is the result you will get?
Only
Only Germany.
Germany spelling
Germany
is wrong.
spelling is wrong, sir.
Germany.
MANY.
Many.
A.
Grmany. Okay, here also you can split clearly. Okay.
Now see.
Germany, cheers and tears. Okay.
Now see, for only Germany you're able to see the information. Observed? Okay. Like that. See, try to understand very simple logic. I'll
Yes.
tell even more simple now. You didn't remember anything how to write all these things. You just open it and you can search what are the different functions. Okay.
Mm.
You can directly click and it will come to here. Okay. And along with that, it will clearly explain the format also. If you observe
Yeah.
the syntax, exact syntax. Okay. Just see how the else if will be working. You got it?
Yes.
How the syntax and what type of values it is with a simple example. These are the ways to create a calculated fields and write functions and all those things. Based on our requirements, we will do these things. Okay. Is it clear? You know the absolute function, right? What is the absolute function? Okay. Okay. Yes. I forgot some in some specific field we saw negative values, right? What is that field? You remembered?
Sales per, no, not sales. I think it is profit ratio or something.
Let's see. What are the negative values? Profit per customer.
Maybe.
Profit customer and order ID. Yes, this is the one. Now, okay, subcategory we'll take. Okay, see this one. Some of the profit customers and okay, right. Now, I want to create a new field which will take the absolute values. How you will create? Can you please create each and every one? Use that particular function, absolute. Function name is ABS. Can anyone, I mean, sorry, each and everyone try to create that one?
Absolute value for what, sir?
In see this one, profit per customer, negative values are there.
Profit per,
Negative values also there in
okay.
the profit customer. Okay. Even though if it contain negative values, I want all that also need to be converted into positive values. All the result is in positives.
Good. Okay.
Can you try? Give it a try. How you can? Each and everyone trying? Completed anyone?
Subcategory. Okay.
You no need to worry about subcategory.
No, I'm not worrying about that. I don't know why my table is not showing like yours. Okay.
So I did it like we have to do that profit per customer values to the absolute value and with the making of the new column absolute.
Yes, right. You need to create a calculate field. In that calculate field, the formula is nothing but absolute of in between the square brackets. You need to give the sales per customer. I mean,
Yes, I did
profit per
that.
customer.
Profit per customer.
Okay. You can able to create any field what you want, any field which you want.
Yes.
With conditions if, else, and conditions and or conditions with replacing some values, existing values, and all those things you can able to do. Okay. How you can able to identify the calculated fields?
It will show line and the data type. On the left-hand side, on the measures, it will show it equal to.
See this
Equal to
one.
means
Equal to.
means
Equal
yeah.
to. Yes. Equal
Sir,
to. Before hash, equal to it will show.
Sir, so I'm not getting the table, just the format like you, sir. I don't know why I'm trying to do, but. So can you show me what you did here? You kept it, you dragged the subcategory to columns and you dragged the profit per customer and
Into rows.
to rows. I'm doing the same thing. It is going off into the text and it is showing, it's not showing like.
See, I'm going to select, see how how you are able to see me. So this, like this, you are not able to see your table.
No, it's just a 2-line
Can
table.
you please share once? Very close.
Yeah. So.
You need to select discrete instead of continuous.
Okay.
Green one.
Select as a district. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
That is
Now-
the thing. Okay. Now, I want, can you please make a note of this one? Can you please try this for today? I'll ask a simple question.
Sir, I need help.
Which help?
In my Tableau, like in tables, my all options gone. Only I can see category, country, sub-country measure. I don't know what happened.
Okay, share your screen.
Okay. Can you see? Like here. I'm trying like, should I? That's it.
What you did?
I don't know. Like, I'm trying. Before it
Okay,
was
can you go to the
coming,
data source? Can you go to the data source? Right,
these
all
are
those are
like,
not.
yeah.
Can you please remove that sample superstore once and get back? No, not in the edit field. Yes, bring back to the back. Bring back. That is drag and drop. Drag and outside the drop.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Now once again, bring that particular thing to your environment. Down, 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 down. Down is there, right? Sample superstore. No, above one. Above one. No, you can drag it anywhere. Wait. Till come.
Yes.
Update now. Close it and update now. Go to sheet 1. What I did, you used any hide options or something else? No. Come to sheet 1. Come to sheet 1.
Sheet
Okay,
one is
whatever may be the sheet. Whatever may be the
that's
sheet.
Olympic one. Okay,
Okay,
now.
group by, sort by data source, show hidden fields, hide all unused fields, expand all. Expand all. Can you click on expand all? There is no any information in yours.
Okay. No.
What it did? What did? What you did?
Just only see like these three is like
Okay. Can you please click on sample superstore 1? Down. Click on that one.
this way.
No problem. Once you can remove this one and try to
Yeah,
load it and do
again.
experimentation.
Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
and
You
one more
can.
thing, what you need to do,
Mhm.
each and everyone. Now we explored about the formula and calculated fields, right? I
Mhm.
want one if condition, one if else, and another one and condition along with these 4 queries, or condition and or.
Mhm.
You need to create these many fields. If else, if and condition, if and or condition, if and or condition. Just create those fields and check when you are doing any mistakes in the calculated fields creation. It will defaultly show the suggestions and errors down on the formula bar, down on the calculated field bar. Okay.
Can I share my screen one time?
Yes, you can share. Can you please share?
You can see, sir, now. I created this chair shape.
Okay, open edit once, edit.
And then,
Okay, all right, you created.
okay. But how?
You need to bring that column, right? You need to bring that column into the worksheet.
Sir, I think.
Where you brought?
This column.
Chair sales, you created one, right?
Mhm.
Now bring the subcategory also along with that subcategory. That's it. Remaining all the values are 0. You can bring that sum of chair sales into text label. Yes, you got it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Total 8 queries. If, else, and or, and if condition with and or.
Okay.
Okay. And one more thing, not is also there. And that particular function, absolute function.
If elif
And or not.
Sir, if elif and or not. What is the other one, sir? Only 5 I got.
And or combination. Individually and only, individually or only, and or combination, and not also. Absolute. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Bye.
everyone.